Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today I am day one of styling up this beautiful collection from Grizas. Hello ladies and welcome. I'm very excited to style up these beautiful, scrumptious, elegant, divine, I don't even know, all my words. I need more words, ladies. Help me out here. I gotta look up on Google and get some more vocabulary going. We love Grizas. We love the fabrics. It's such a nice company to work with. It's all designed and produced in the same facility, all under one roof. Family owned, husband and wife. It's absolutely beautiful. And it definitely, me and Lousje have a lot of it in our wardrobe. It's one of our favorite lines in the boutique. The designs are timeless. The fabrics are priceless. They're absolutely beautiful. They make their own fabrics. So I have on this silk linen, beautiful. I love the textures too. I love when fabrics have some texture to it. It just adds dimension to the outfit. Easy to travel, no iron, great to care for. First of all, I have on the skirt, which you know is already in my closet. Love this skirt, and I definitely ordered one for myself because not only do I have too many black skirts, but I just needed one more because this one is different. It's more slimmer fitting, ladies. I have a size medium on, so just so you know, you can see it's definitely more fitted here, and it just comes out a little bit, but it's got this beautiful flamingo look on the bottom, and it feels divine. There's a nice elastic band here, and it fits pretty great. It is a silk cotton, so its majority is cotton. So you can, like Colleen said yesterday, it's definitely a 4-season skirt. If you're traveling in the warm weather, this will be perfect. I mean, silk and cotton, what other fabrics, breathe and wick away moisture better than those. So I have this little cutie on. I have him done up, and I just have him draped over the skirt. And you can definitely open it up as well and wear it as a little cardigan. We have 3 sizes in it. It's extra small, small, medium, large, large, extra large, extra, extra large. I have on the extra small, small, extra small, small. So you can see it's meant to be oversized and a little bit bigger. So it's got this great slit here and a drop sleeve. I've cuffed up my arms. I love that. You can see the different textures in the fabric, the opposite look. All right, and then of course we have these beautiful scarves. Like I said yesterday, I cannot wait for my mom to be back to see these because these are right up her alley. So a few different ways to wear this. Can definitely just drape it over for a nice textured look, or you can have it as a coat scarf. It's so soft, it's velvet with a silk ruffle around the edging. What's fun about this scarf too is when you do wrap it around your neck, then you have these beautiful ruffles here in different placements. So absolutely gorgeous look. All right, I'm gonna put on another top for you and I'll be right back. All right, ladies, and I'm back with the beautiful cowl neck, silk and linen piece. And this is the magenta. Again, I've talked about magenta so many times, pink fuchsia, how much I love it. And on many skin tones, it looks great. But we also did this color, which is a great color for Lousje and a lot of you lovelies. And I'll show you this with a pair of jeans, a little bit more casual. But this skirt is definitely working with all of these pieces. It looks great. I picked out these Ziska earrings. I love the metallic hue that they have to it. Went beautiful with this color as well. And I thought it was cool with the magenta color. Beautiful little flower bracelet from Siriglio. And earlier I had on another Siriglio with the other top. I wanted to show you this color on this top. Just another way to wear it. I know there's a cowl here, but you can definitely have this on for a more classic look. How cute is that? Look at these ruffles, how they fall. This scarf is absolutely divine. I am going to now put on this beauty. This is a classic silhouette from Grizas. We've had it in the past in other fabrics, but I can't wait to put it on in this navy silk linen. Beautiful color for the season. I'm gonna put it on and I'll be right back. Okay, ladies, I wanted to keep the skirt on to show you how versatile it is, even with a long duster. I think it looks pretty great. And I love that look when you have a nice big cardigan duster style over something slim underneath. I think it's very flattering, and then you still feel a little covered, which is nice. So I have on a tight tank and a skirt, with a beautiful elongated necklace. That's gorgeous. And then just the duster over top. I kept the bracelet on. Nice to have some big chunkiness here because I always like to, as Lousje too, always like to do our cuffs. And then I have on the same earrings, which again looks so great with this blue linen silk. You could classify this item as maybe 3 different pieces: a dress, a duster, or a tunic. So I'll put it on with leggings as well, and my boots, and I think that's a great look. You could also wear this even to a wedding, a beautiful fall wedding, absolutely gorgeous. I love the shape and design of this pattern. It's got pockets here as well, which is great. You know we love our pockets. And it's just an all-around beautiful piece. Nice mandarin collar here. I'm going to choose the black velvet scarf here because it just picks up the black outfit underneath. So with the black scarf, you can play with it. A bit of a dramatic look, but it's absolutely beautiful, Victorian-ish. It's so cozy as well. So there I concluded the first style video of this beautiful collection from Grizas that just landed in the boutique. As always, ladies, if you have any questions on sizing, please let us know. A few of you lovelies have asked for us to always mention the sizes. We always try to, but sometimes we don't, especially in our vlogs or our Friday favorites. I'm wearing a medium in the skirt, and all the pieces on top in the Grizas was an extra small or extra small small. I am a size 8 and I am 5'3". So just so you know, if you ladies have seen me in person, it's easier to kind of judge that. And if you ever have any questions on measurements, please let us know. We always have Sarah here answering your emails, and she's measuring away all the time. All right, ladies, join me tomorrow. I'm going to style up the other pieces from Grizas. If you like the video, please hit a thumbs up. It just helps us reach our content to more beautiful women like you. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you tomorrow.